Ready?
You think I'm sweaty when I have my bike shorts on. You think I'm dirty when I get a chain ring mark. But you don't get me when I ride my bike around the town. Before you met me, I was alright, but clinging to my Chevy. Then I bought a bike, now even February, you'll find me on my bike. My bike, let's ride all the way to work. Don't forget your gloves, we can ride, building our thighs on my bike. I'll be young forever, bicycling feels like I'm living a teenage dream. The way I ride through the city streets, ride all the way and don't ever look back, don't ever look back. Traffic stops, though the light is green, just 1 mile, not waiting till my street. These two wheels will take me where I won't ever look back, I'll never look back. Road to Blues Alley, to Wisconsin 2 and Street, then road to Ice Creek, up there at Thomas Sweet. I finally found you, my bike is my loyal steed. I'm complete, let's ride all the way to work. Don't forget your gloves, we can ride, building our lives on my bike. I'll be young forever, bicycling feels like I'm living a teenage dream. The way I ride through the city streets, ride all the way and don't ever look back, don't ever look back. Traffic stops, though the light is green, just 1 mile, now baby till my street. These two wheels will take me where I won't ever look back, I'll never look back. I'm really into sports, but my skin tight shorts make me wanna ride my bike. I'll let you put your hands on me in my skin tight shorts, cause I'm sexy on my bike, bike, bike. Bicycling feels like I'm living